3, 2, 1, start. Then, sir, there is the question of distribution. We have got the Indian Oil Corporation, which is now undertaking more and more the distribution of the products which are coming from East European countries and from Soviet Russia. I do not wish to go into the question of prices of these oil products. It is fairly well known that the prices at which Russia and the East European countries sell their petroleum products abroad vary to a very great extent. But what the reason for the variation is, I have got no data to find out. But that need not worry us. After all, we want oil products, and if we get them at cheap rates for whatever reasons, for whatever considerations, we should not mind welcoming the opportunity that has come to us as a result of that. I am quite sure that my country is capable of looking after its own interests in spite of any considerations or any motivations that might be guiding these countries to sell their products to our country at cheap rates in case these motivations and considerations are not in the interests of our country. We have no data to find out whether these considerations and motivations are against the interests of the country or not. But as long as we are getting these products at cheap rates without any strings attached, I see no reason why we should not welcome that opportunity, and the government has done well in seeing that these products are distributed through the public sector distributing companies. But here again, have we succeeded in mastering the problem of distribution? We are still groping. We read all sorts of reports in the press to the effect that heroic efforts are being made by the Indian Oil Corporation to distribute the products that are coming from abroad. I live in Mumbai and I hear rumors, and when these products are received from abroad, the Indian Oil Corporation has many times been found to be unprepared for receiving these products, and they have often to be stored in the storage capacity of the very foreign companies against which we are raising our voice today. Here again is a sorry state of affairs. Once we accept this challenge of distributing the products through our public sector companies, we should be in a position as early as possible to stand on our own legs and not depend on the mercies of these foreign companies. The same is the story as regards petroleum products also. It is a well known fact that shortly we will do better regarding raising of crude oil. Stop. Thank you.